Good evening, guys. This is Smart Money Trader. Uh, it's a new week. We have to do what we do most. Uh, Make a weekly forecast for the coming week. So there's the disclaimer that this video is for educational purpose only. Any information that's shared here should not be deemed as an investment advice or a trade idea. If it happens that you take this video and use it as a trade idea, you are doing that at your own will. We will not be liable for any losses that are incurred. But guys, you should know that trading forex carries a high risk. Thank you. What happened during the weekend is the Democrats they passed the 1.9 trillion relief plan that Biden had proposed initially. So this means that they will be printing more dollars. That will result in weakness in dollar. So if we are expecting a weaker dollar, that means we are expecting money to go into gold. So we are anticipating a rally in gold and a drop in dollar. So when you look at the coming week, March, on Monday we have this ISM manufacturing PMI. Then Tuesday is just a quiet day, and then on Wednesday we have this ADP non-farm payroll changes. Then on Thursdays we are having Fed Powell speaking, and then Friday we have NFP. So we should expect high liquidities on Thursdays and Friday. Monday might provide us that bullish look. We might expect some liquidity on Monday also, but most will come on Thursdays and Friday. Okay guys, I want us to look at the weekly time frame on a gold chart. So the previous 2 weeks we were looking for gold to reach this level here. I was calling for 1740. I think it was 1743 years. So we managed to reach it the previous week and we are here now. So let's look at the price action. Gold made a low here last year and then rallied, paused, then rallied. Now is this sort of a retracement. Most people think there's a rally, base rally. So they're expecting gold to be bullish from here. But when I look at this chart, all I see is, okay, price came, made a low, returned, made a low, breaking this low, made a high, failed to break the high, then made a low, breaking the low here, then retraced, didn't manage to break this high, then now it broke this low. So what are we having? We're having a lower low has been taken out. After we break a low, we retrace. I explained this in the previous weeks. Now we hear people think, okay, there's time to buy gold. Many people will buy gold from here, anticipating a rally up. Though we're expecting that, according to the fundamentals are also saying that. But when we look at gold, there's this liquidity here. I'm anticipating, okay, they're gonna attract buyers. Most people will buy here, but then they'll buy to up to this level. I'm expecting this level to provide us with a resistance. I'm expecting here to provide us with sell to take out this low and fill in this liquidity gap here. So we have equal lows here that they need to be taken out. I think we're gonna have our buys from here. So I think we're gonna retrace and then drop to this level. I'm looking at this level here, 1632.69. There's my level on a weekly time frame. I'm looking for this lows to be taken out. So what I wanna see is a gold go to retrace a little bit, go to the previous week low, find resistance there, and then drop. So let's look at it from the daily perspective. Daily will give us more insight why. So we are here. I think gold. Let me launch this. Okay. What I want to see, we have an imbalance here. Gold must return, fill the same balance, find support, resistance here, then drop lower. As you can see, even on the daily, we keep on taking the lows, but we are not taking out the high. For gold to be bullish, guys, we need to take out this level here, 1816. We need to have a daily close above this high. Then that's when people say, okay, now gold is going higher. I'll be looking at the price action when it reaches this levels. What I'm anticipating is gold rally back to this point here, and then find a drop, check out the equal lows on the weekly time frame here. As you can see, those are very clean lows, man. They need to be taken out. There's a liquidity below this low. So my objective for this week is for this lows to be taken out. So what I want gold to do is, we have a retracement up to this very short block, then we drop. What do we have here? Here we have a breaker. Here we have a mitigation block and other block at the same time. So this should provide a better resistance area, and we have an imbalance here that needs to be balanced. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we might have our high here. Then on those Thursdays and Fridays, we might run to this level. So let's go for that. Other than that, there's nothing more on this thing. I think that's where our buyers will be. We're gonna have to buy from below here to align us with our fundamental news. So our weekly buy this coming week, guys, we are looking for gold to continue dropping lower. My bias is bearish on gold. I'm bearish on gold until it reaches 1632.80. 1632.80 is the level that we should go to. I hope you find this insightful and have a prosperous trading week. Use this, guys, to study or be monitored. Like I said, watch for this level. If it's taken out on a daily basis and close above, then now I'll know we are going up. We are going up if we break this high. Thank you, guys. See you on Wednesday on the weekend review. Also, guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for our channel. If you want to learn our intraday strategy for gold, just send a message to us or leave a comment on our YouTube. Then we'll give you our contact details from there. Thank you, guys. Enjoy your week.